Hello, my wonderful friends, and a very warm welcome. Today, we're embarking on another incredible journey, this time to a land brimming with vibrant colors, ancient traditions, and breathtaking landscapes. We're traveling to the sun-drenched, mesmerizing country of Morocco, specifically to a peaceful village nestled high in the majestic Atlas Mountains. Get ready to feel the warm desert breeze, smell the fragrant spices, and discover the gentle rhythms of daily life in this captivating corner of North Africa. This adventure will fill your senses and inspire your soul. Our story begins as the first light of dawn paints the peaks of the high Atlas Mountains in soft hues of pink and gold. The crisp morning air carries the distant melodic call to prayer, a gentle invitation to begin the day. In a small stone house, Fatima is already awake, her hands deftly preparing the day's first pot of mint tea. She's a young woman, whose spirit is as bright as the intricate patterns she weaves on her loom, a tradition passed down through generations. Imagine waking to such serene beauty and ancient sounds every day. Fatima carefully pours the steaming sweet mint tea into small decorated glasses, the aroma filling the cozy room. Her younger brother, Omar, bounces in, his eyes bright with morning energy. Their grandmother, Aisha, a woman with eyes that hold countless stories, joins them, a gentle smile gracing her face. In Morocco, sharing tea is more than just a drink, it's a profound act of hospitality and connection, a moment to slow down and truly be together. Find a moment today to truly connect with someone over a simple shared experience. After a light breakfast of freshly baked bread, olives, and a drizzle of local argan oil, Fatima prepares for her day. She works with the precious argan nuts, transforming them into the golden oil that is so vital to her community, used for cooking and beauty. The process is slow and requires patience, but it's a craft she loves, connecting her to the land and her ancestors. Argan oil is often called liquid gold, and comes from the argan tree, which grows almost exclusively in Morocco. It's a truly unique treasure of this land. Later in the morning, Fatima and Omar set off for the nearest souk, or market, a vibrant hub of activity, a short walk from their village. The path winds through terraced fields and past ancient olive trees, with the majestic mountains as their backdrop. The air is warm, filled with the scent of myrrh, herbs and distant charcoal smoke. Omar skips ahead, excited by the prospect of seeing new faces and perhaps a small treat. Have you ever visited a traditional market? What sensations did you experience there? The souk is a feast for the senses. Merchants call out their wares, the vibrant colors of spices and textiles dazzle the eye, and the air hums with the chatter of people from all walks of life. Fatima carefully selects fresh vegetables, pungent spices, and some fragrant herbs for Aisha's meekan. She greets friends and exchanges news, a testament to the strong community bonds that thrive here. Life in a close-knit community can provide immense support and a sense of belonging, enriching daily experiences in countless ways. Omar, meanwhile, is mesmerized by a storyteller, or hakawati, who captivates a small crowd with ancient tales of heroes and mythical creatures. He listens intently, his imagination soaring. This oral tradition is a cherished part of Moroccan culture, preserving history and values through engaging narratives. It's a reminder that entertainment can be found in the simplest, most profound human interactions. As the afternoon sun begins its descent, casting long golden shadows across the village, Fatima and Omar return home, their bags full and their hearts light. Aisha is waiting, a comforting presence. Together, they prepare a delicious tagine for dinner, its rich aromas filling the house. The communal cooking and eating are moments of shared joy and connection, reaffirming family bonds. After dinner, as twilight deepens and the first stars begin to appear in the vast desert sky, the family gathers on their rooftop terrace. The air is cool now, but not cold. Aisha recounts tales from her youth, stories of resilience, love, and the deep wisdom of the mountains. Omar, nestled close to Fatima, slowly drifts to sleep under the starlit canopy. Take time to listen to the stories of your elders. They hold invaluable wisdom and a window into the past. The day ends as peacefully as it began, with the quiet hum of the village settling down for the night. Fatima gazes out at the moonlit mountains, feeling a profound sense of gratitude and belonging. The simple rhythms of life here, deeply connected to nature and tradition, create a life rich in meaning and quiet joy. It's a powerful testament to the beauty found in living authentically and deliberately. The moral of this story is that true richness isn't always found in material possessions, but in the warmth of human connections, the beauty of cultural traditions, and the serenity of a life lived in harmony with nature. Morocco, with its vibrant souks, ancient wisdom, and stunning landscapes, offers a powerful reminder to appreciate the simple pleasures and the deep-rooted values that shape everyday existence. So, what did you find most captivating about our journey through this peaceful Moroccan village? Does the idea of a life deeply connected to tradition and community appeal to you? Perhaps you're inspired to try making some mint tea, or even just listening to a compelling story. I encourage you to comment below what aspects of Moroccan life resonated with you, and share where you would love to live if you could immerse yourself in a new culture. Don't forget to subscribe for more peaceful slice-of-life stories from around the world. And as a little challenge, try saying these words aloud: soak and tajin. Keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep finding the beauty in every corner of our incredible world.